Hey guys, what's up? Doing a little Minecraft video after just taking a walk.
Our hero
Brody! I'm trying to find my controller. Yeah, Brody, where it is? Maybe on my seat. Huh. You should not have ever started recording it right now. I do nice be. What's the controller's lost? Oh, there it is. Oh, I thought I had. Okay, guys, we've just been. Let's just get into the game.
may be in real trouble.
Oh, you just left off. Some more ammo. Where am I? Who am I? Yes, more ammo. Wait, this is annoying. Oh shoot, the camera. We're going Santa comps already. Dude, the camera's all wrong. Oh my god. Dude, the camera's all wrong.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Dog had them installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
Who cares? Let me just do something. I can see you. Alright. You guys are alright. Who cares? Ethan.
Your enemy refuses to come out from behind cover. Try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher. This Doohickey launch grenade armed with unstable plasma.
Wow!
For an
Name.
added kick, try firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target.
All at the same target. Cool. Can we get it?
This will come in handy.
Oh, I got this gun. It's so awesome. I'm trying to access it without any access to the menu. Press this. That. I'm trying to press something. It might work. No. Jumping. I died.
Take cover.
No, you're gonna need to take cover. No, we kill these guys together. Oh. Okay, I need to take a drink. Break, pause game. Break, pause game. Oh, my brother's trying to pause game. Need to put up this little thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's everything. Whoa. We're here tonight. Just gonna show you this game. And yeah, I'm gonna do one more part, and then I'm gonna use my laptop forever. Just kidding, not forever. I am gonna use my laptop after this little recording session, but we're just doing nothing really. But really into gaming right now because it's really late and I'm tired. That's why I'm not really action-ish right now. We're like, oh god. Hello, Bubba? Yeah, my little doggy is under my bed. Yeah. Still, it's episode 1. Watch episode 1. If you're gonna watch episode 2, you better watch episode 1 because why would you watch? I need to close this thing.
Feels so good.
That's the worst spawn in the game. Get them up. Emma! How do you like deal with this guy? What the heck? Oh, go shoot him. Thanks, please. Ratchet! Try to survive! Dude, you're gonna have to survive. Lucky spot. I'm dead. I'm not dead. How do you get more health in this game? I wonder if there's more health like you can get in this game. I'm spreading. Dude, yeah, we really useful. Like seriously, more ammo. I mean, now more ammo. I mean, like, there was more ammo that would be useful instead of just having 100 ammo. We have 4 players right now. Like if we're playing online, that'd be better. Maybe I might do a let's play series, me and my brother playing online. So I'm like, you don't have to watch us in this room. Like seriously, this room is very small. I'm just kidding. Outside my bedroom, I really want to play multiplayer in this game.
Looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turret on top of Cloud Tower.
Innocent will remember, former Minister of Defense Artemis Dog had them installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
I don't know if you can. Right? I didn't like change. I did change gun. Oh, I have no idea. I'm sorry, sir. I have no idea how to change a gun in real life. Like a gun kind of. Where are? How can we turn those here? Well, I guess I'm so okay. My brother's back. They killed him all for revenge. That shot. Got ammo here. I got ammo here. I got ammo. Yay! We got it. We gotta do it. Bring the ride. Brody! Oh my god. Oh my god. I just feel like. Oh my god. Okay, this recording session is just off. Okay, this is just horrible.
Perhaps we can make use of those fusion turrets.
Oh, boss game. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna skip right now. Sorry, guys, if you want to watch longer, but I'm kind of too restless.